This is a final video to fix Police Simulator running poorly in graphics, settings locked on Steam Deck. And if your game feels laggy, blurry, or stuck on low performance, you're not alone. Are you facing low FPS stutters or missing graphics options on your Steam Deck right now? This problem happens because Police Simulator does not detect the Steam Deck hardware correctly and forces bad default settings. The game also mixes controller mode with PC mode, which hides graphics menus. Many fixes on YouTube or social media feel messy and hard to follow. They jump between menus, commands, and random tweaks that confuse most users. So here's my secret easy trick that actually works. You force the game to run in desktop-style graphics mode and lock the correct performance profile before launch. This instantly unlocks graphics settings and boosts FPS. You simply change one launch option, switch one compatibility setting, and cap performance the smart way. This stops stutter and makes the game smooth without killing battery. I tested this method step by step, and it works even after updates. This is why Rex's focuses on simple fixes that real Steam Deck users need. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that shows every click and setting to fix Police Simulator on Steam Deck, comment below and I will make the full guide for you on Rex's.